Can you daily a 90s car? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be headed to work, but I wanted to just give this topic a try. I know I haven't posted in a minute. This summer's been kind of crazy for me, but trying it again, trying to get back into the flow of things. And yeah, we're going to be talking about whether it's possible to reliably daily a car from the 90s. Okay, let's go ahead and get a cold start really quick. Okay, let's go ahead and put our seatbelt on. Guys, I know my car is dirty. It's been a minute since I cleaned this thing, but yeah, this summer's been freaking crazy. This is supposed to be the summer I was grinding here on YouTube, but man, it's been super busy. I've had a lot of work, a lot of personal stuff came up. I'm gonna try and get back into it. Okay, so the title of this video is, can you daily a 90s car? It doesn't just have to be a 90s car. I'm talking about any car that's considered older. And the simple answer is yes. Yes, you can. I truly believe that you can daily any car. It might not be a comfortable daily, it might not be a reliable daily, but you can really daily any car if you really wanted to. Bro, what the hell is that thing? I've never seen that car in my life. Bro, that's crazy. If you guys didn't know by now, I do drive an Acura Integra from 1995. No, it's not a GSR, but I still love this car. And it's my only car, so of course I gotta daily it. And yeah, it's given me some problems, the same that any older car will. There's coolant issues. I had something wrong with my clutch master and the slave cylinder. I had to replace both of those. Pull for you guys. But yeah, these cars are older, so they are going to give you some problems, and you do have to realize that. You got to know what you're getting yourself into. But my suggestion would be to pick a car that's easy to work on. I got an Acura, a Honda, and most of the problems that I've had, I've been able to do myself. There's not a lot of things that I need to take it to a shop or some shit. I can do a lot of it on my own. So it gives you kind of like that learning experience from working on your car on your own. A lot of these older cars, the seats are going to be kind of worn, the bolstering isn't going to be the best. So if you are dailying the car, that is something that you have to look out for. I got lucky. My seats are in really good condition. So they're actually pretty comfortable. But yeah, things like that, these cars are getting 30 years old plus. So you kind of have to look at that stuff. Things tend to wear down. Suspension parts. I know a lot of my bushings need to be replaced. Sometimes coilovers can be shot. When I bought this car, I don't know why I didn't check for tires. I knew my tires were bad and they were old, but I didn't know the extent to how bad they were. And when I went to go replace them, I got some nittos, but I replaced them, and I was talking to the guy, and he's like, "Yeah, bro, you're running 16-year-old tires," and I'm like, "Holy crap!" So there's things, expendables that you have to look out for. Make sure that your brakes are good. I know my brakes aren't really that good, but I just need the money to replace them. Even things like AC. A lot of these older cars don't have AC, And on a day like today, it's freaking, I think it's like 90 degrees out. It gets hot. And not having AC in a car that's this old, you can do it. You can roll down the windows all you want, but it's just things you have to consider when you are dailying the car. Yeah, with that being said, there are a bunch of things that can go wrong with the car or will go wrong with the car, especially because they are so old. But with the proper maintenance and being able to take care of the car, I'm sure that you can daily any car that you really want to, whether it be a Nissan 300ZX or my car, the Acura Integra. You really can do it. I've been dailying this car since October, so that's coming up on 10 months, and I really have no complaints. I love this car. I love the fact that it's a manual. I love how smooth it is. It's not that bumpy of a ride. I am on stock suspension, so once I do upgrade it, it's going to get a little bit stiffer. But that's what I want. I want the car to be a good handling car. Yeah, the car's slow. A lot of these older cars, they don't have that much power when compared to some of the newer stuff, but they have soul, and it puts a smile on your face every time you do drive one of these cars. Another thing you're gonna want to look for is that the car's a manual. A lot of people have their preferences and they either don't want to drive manual because they don't want to learn, or they think it's too hard. And I'm not shitting on anyone that doesn't know how to drive manual, but with these older cars, the auto transmissions suck. They shift really bad and really slowly, and a lot of the times they're just weaker transmissions when being compared to the manual option. So taking that in mind and learning how to drive a manual car daily, it's doable. I live in SoCal, and I have hills everywhere. I get stupid traffic like crazy, but it's really doable. All those people that say that their leg gets tired from pushing in the clutch, I've dealt with 3-hour traffic before, and yeah, it's a little tiring, but it's definitely doable. And I've taken this car on road trips. I took it to Santa Barbara. I've taken it to San Bernardino for festivals. It's really not that bad. Let's roll down the windows. I love coming down this hill. It's like a little Touge. I've been meaning to make some canyon videos, but I really haven't found the time to make a video. I'm trying to get back into it though. We've gone over the fact that you can daily a car from the 90s. The problem that I'm having is, do I want to? I consider this car my forever car. I absolutely love this thing, and it would take a lot to get rid of it. And with dailying the car, you're gonna experience wear and tear. There's rock chips, you're gonna get faded paint. There's a lot of things that come with dailying the car, and of course it's doable, but for me at least, I'm at the point where dailying it feels like not like I'm destroying it, but that I'm wearing the car. I don't plan on dailying the car forever, but I do plan on keeping the car forever. When the opportunity does come and I can buy another daily, meaning I don't have to put as many miles on this car and I get to to mod it to the extent that I want to, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get another daily, and I'm gonna be able to mod this car without having to worry about ruining it or hiking up the miles. In the 10 months, I've already put 12,000 miles on the car. So a little bit over 1,000 a month. And yeah, with proper maintenance, it's not too bad, and especially with Hondas, they're exceptionally reliable. I guess what I'm trying to say is just understand what you're getting yourself into. You are gonna hike up the miles, things are going to break. And for some people that might be fun, that might be giving the chance to engine swap or rebuild the motor, or just replace parts that need to be fixed by upgrading them. And I think that's the beauty of owning a car like this, especially if it's your forever car. There's no rush to mod the car, because you're gonna have it for as long as you want. So when things do inevitably break, that's your opportunity to upgrade the car. Like for me, I realized my tires were shit, so I went to go upgrade them, and literally the second I had put on those new tires, it changed the feeling of the car completely. When my clutch slave and master cylinder went out, I had no clutch pressure in the pedal, and just replacing that on my own, yeah, it took fucking forever, because I'm not at all mechanically inclined. I am learning, but the satisfaction that it gave me was not like anything I've ever experienced before. At the end of the day, it is doable. Of course, you can daily a car from the 90s. You can daily any car. Just be aware of some of the roadblocks you might face when dailying these cars. Okay guys, I made it to work. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any future video ideas that you would like to see in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.